I think this should be the waiting place. It says ticketed waiting room. I'm sure this is where I'm supposed to wait for my next train. While waiting for my next train, I decide to take a walk outside just to see how New York looks like at night. Guys, this is New York at night. New York, the city that never sleeps. This is how it looks like at night. Back into the waiting room. So guys, this is my waiting area. Now the time is about 11 o'clock p.m. and I still got some 4 hours to go before my next train arrives. Guys, the waiting is over. The Washington DC train is here. My train to Washington DC from New York. I'm now boarding the train. First stop from New York is Newark. Departing Newark. Arriving at Metro Park Station. Now departing. Leaving Philadelphia. arriving at Wilmington, Delaware. Now arriving at Baltimore Penn Station. Departing Baltimore Penn Station. Now arriving at BWI. Guys, Washington DC will be the next station. That's going to be my station. That's my final destination. Guys, I have arrived. This is Washington, D.C. Union Station. This is the first time I'm coming to Washington, D.C. So I must take a taxi to my hotel. My plan is to stay in Washington, D.C. for 2 days and 2 nights. Guys, It's raining here. Oh my God. How am I gonna get to the taxis? I hope the taxis will come closer to the building here. Despite the rain, somehow I managed to get into the taxi, and I'm now headed for my Airbnb. Guys, I'm gonna show you my room. This is where I'm gonna be spending the next few days here in Washington, D.C. This is my Airbnb. So I have 2 double beds there. Yeah. And my table there, my small table and chair. And we have a TV. And this is my walk-in closet. I'm gonna hang my clothes there. There you are. I can brush my teeth there in the morning. And this is bathroom and shower area. There you are, guys. That is my lotion there. And bath soap. Bathtub, if you prefer a bathtub, but I normally prefer shower. I'll be having my shower in here. And we've got some towels there. Nicely arranged, as you can see. There's a curtain here. Maybe let me draw the curtain so that we can see how it looks with the curtain drawn. It looks spacious. Oh yeah, the other thing, they have a very powerful AC. The weather here, guys, is very, very hot out there. Hot and humid. But with the AC in here, oh yeah, you would like it. I'm sure I'm going to sleep comfortably here. There you are, guys, that's it. This afternoon, I will take a walk around Washington, D.C. and capture some interesting landmarks here. So join me again in my next video. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I am still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We haven't arrived yet, so I still need your support. I still need more subscribers. Let's subscribe, guys. Let's subscribe. We will get there very soon.